Welcome students, myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the surface area and volume regarding to the cone. Okay, so as per the previous session we already learnt about the surface area of the cone, and we are seeing that some example that is related to the cone. Okay, and also I'll give you the four question that is in homework of the surface area of the cone. So students, let's move on. Today we have to learn about this also surface area of the cone. Okay, also in this session we have also learned about the surface area of the cone. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. So my question is that a joker's cap in the form of the right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height is 24 cm. Okay, here is my radius for the joker's cap is 7 cm and their height is 24 cm. Okay, find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such cap. Okay, find area of sheet to make 10 such caps. Okay, they have to require to make a 10 caps. Okay, here that height, for that height that not given, that is a vertical height or slant height, so always we have to take that as a vertical height. Okay, now in the we have to make a 10 such caps, so we have to take caps. So there is my curved surface area of in the cone. So my cap is like this. Okay, that is open from the base. Okay, and we have to find the curved surface of the cap to make 10 such caps. Okay, so for that we have to find the curved surface area of the cap. So for that we must to have a slant height for that, because my curved surface area of cone, that is my formula is pi r l. That is my formula is pi r l. For that I want the slant height for the cone. So for that, first of all I'll find the slant height of the cone from the radius and vertical height. My radius is 7 cm and my vertical height is 24 cm. So my slant height is, as we have to take this as a Pythagoras. Okay, we have to take as a Pythagoras, that is h square plus r square equal to slant height square. So my h is 24 square plus radius, that is given as a 7. So I'll put the value as a 7 square equal to L square. 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49 equal to L square. So therefore 625 equal to L square. Therefore my slant height is square root of 625. Therefore my slant height is 25 centimeter. Okay, my slant height is 25 centimeter. So now I'll put the value of the slant height at here. So my value of the pi, that is 22 by 7, radius is 7 and slant height is 25. 7 are cancel out, therefore 22 into 25, that is my answer is 22 into 25, 0, 4, 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, that is 550, that is 550 centimeter square. My curved surface area of the one cap is 550 centimeter square. I have to require the 550 centimeter square of sheet for the one such cap. So now I have to find for the 10 such caps. So for that I have to multiply 10 for the one area of the cap. Okay, so for For 10 such caps, therefore 10 into 550, that is my 5500 centimeter square area are required. Okay, clear? Okay students, now we are moving on the next question. Okay students, after moving on next question, I'll give you the one notification, that is yesterday CBSE has declared their standard 10th result, and for that result of the Bhavnagar, that is 100% result of the Bhavnagar, and for the Gujarat, that is more than 95% result of Gujarat in standard 10th. Okay, this is a more interesting fact about the standard 10 for the CBSE. Okay, for Gujarat board there is a standard, for the Gujarat board standard 10th result is almost 60, approx 60 to 65% result of the Gujarat for Gujarat board, and for the CBSE board, okay, for the CBSE board result of Gujarat, that is more than 95%. Okay, more than 95% there is a result of the Gujarat for the CBSE board. Okay, now we are moving on the next question, that is curved surface area of the cone is 308 centimeter square. Okay, so here my curved surface area, that is CSA, is equal to 308 centimeter square, and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Its slant height L is 14 centimeter. Find the radius of the base of the total surface area of cone. In that they have to require, that is radius of the cone and second total surface area of cone. Okay, they require two things, that is one of them is radius and second one is total surface area of cone. Okay, so for that, first of all we have to find the radius of the cone. Okay, so that is for that, given that is cos surface area is given, cos surface area of cone. Using cos surface area of cone, we are finding the radius of the cone, that is my pi RL, and we have to put the values of them, that is 308 equal to 22/7 into radius is not given, slant height is given 14, so 7 2s are 14. Now we have to shift it 22 and 2 to the second side, so for the radius is my 2 15s are 2 154, 22, 11 2s are 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44, 2 7s are 14. So therefore my radius for the cone, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, my radius for the cone is 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the total surface area of cone, because they should to tell us about to find their total surface area. So total surface area of cone, that is pi r plus L. So therefore pi is 22/7 into what is my radius? Radius is 7, and in the bracket 7 plus slant height is my 14. Okay, so 7 7 are cancel out, so therefore 22 into bracket 7 plus 14, that is 21. Okay, so we have to multiply 21 into 22, that is for the answer, that is my 22 into 21, that is 0 4 4 2 2 2 6 4 462, that is my answer, 462 centimeter square. This is my answer of the total surface area of cone for this question. Okay, please note down fast. Done. Now we are moving on the next question, that is, all of these questions, students, are given in your textbook, so please make sure that your textbook is with you, okay, beside you. My next question is that the slant height and base of diameter of conical tomb is 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Okay, slant height and diameter of conical tomb, that is my slant height is given, that is 25 meter, and diameter is given as a 14 meter. Okay, find the cost of whitewashing its cost surface area at the rate of 210 rupees per 100 meter square, and rate is given, that is 210 rupees per 100 meter square. Okay, they have to whitewash their curved surface area. Okay, they have to whitewash their curved surface area, and the rate of the whitewashing their curved surface area is that 210 rupees per 100 meter square. Okay. Okay. So now we have to find the curved surface area of cone, because they are whitewashing their curved surface area. Okay. So for that, first of all, we have to convert diameter to the radius. So my radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, that is my 14 by 2, that is my 7 meter, sorry. Okay, that is my 7 meter. Okay, so what is my curved surface area? My curved surface area of cone, that is pi RL, value of pi, that is 22 by 7, radius we found that 7, and slant height is given 25. So 7 I cancel out, therefore 22 into 25, that is my answer. For that, I'll put the same value as per the previous, that is my 2 2s are 4, 10, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, that is 550. Here my answer is 550, another 550 meter square, 550 meter square. Now we have to find the rate, how much money they require for the whitewashing their tomb. So my rate is given rupees and meter square, 210 rupees 400 meter square. Okay, 210 rupees 400 meter square. So for the 550 meter square, how much rupees they have to require? So for that, 550 into 210 divided by 100, 0 zeros are cancelled out, so therefore 55 into 21 is my answer. 55 into 21, that is 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 5 and 5, 1155, that is my answer is 1155 rupees are they required to whitewashing, yeah, to whitewashing their curved surface area of tomb. Okay, clear? So please note down fast. Okay, so now we have to move on the next question. My next question is that we are done the tomb and now we have to move on for the tent. Okay, So conical tent is 10 meter height and radius of base is 24 meter. There is a conical tent, okay, their height is 10 meter, height is 10 meter and their radius is 24 meter. So the slant height of the tent, first find the slant height of the tent, that is L, that is must to required for the surface area of the tent, okay. And second one is the cost of the 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. There is cost given, that is cost is given, that is for 1 meter square, that is rupees 70. For 1 meter square there is required 70 rupees. Find the cost of canvas required to make a tent, okay. They have to make a tent, then they ask us that how much meter square are required to make a tent, okay. So for that, first of all we know that tent is in the conical shape, okay. Here say that tent is in the conical shape, but in the tent we can't find the base of the tent, because in the base we can't require any kind of canvas for that, okay. So as per that we must to take curved surface area in this question, okay. So for the curved surface area of cone, that is my pi RL, okay. For that L, slant height, we don't have a value of this slant height. For that we must to take now first value of this slant height, okay. We must to find the value of the slant height, okay. So for slant height we have h square plus r square as equal to L square, okay, as per the previous question, okay. So what is h, that is 10 square plus r is 24 square equal to L square. Therefore 100 plus 24 square is 576 equal to L square. So for that my slant height square is equal to 676. Therefore my slant height is square root of 676. So therefore my slant height is 26 meter. My slant height is 26 meter, okay, clear. So for that we have to take slant height as a 26 meter. So my pi is 22 by 7, radius is given that 24 and my slant height is 26, okay. So here not any kind of the cancellation are required and there is not cancellation are done at here. So at simple we are multiplying all this number, okay, and with divide by 7. So what is my multiplication of this all these number? Please calculate them fast. Please calculate them fast. Done. Now I'll calculate that 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, that is 528 into 26, that is 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 5 2s are 10, 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 16, 12 plus 4 16, or 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31, 8 12, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7, 3 13728. That is my answer is 13728 by 7 meters square, okay. I'll put the value as it is, not dividing them with the 7, because now I have to find the cost of the tent, okay. For that my 7 are cancelled out from them, so that's why I will not cancel out at here. So meter square and rupees, For 1 meter square there is a 70 rupees. Now we require 13728 by 7 meter square. For how much rupees? We have to multiply with them. So my answer is 13728 by 7 into 70. So then 7 tens are 70. Therefore my answer is 137,280 rupees are required for making a tent. Okay, 1,37,280 rupees are required for make a tent of height 10 meter and with the radius is 24 meter. Okay, clear students? Please copy fast this question. So we have to move for the next question. Okay, done. Here my next question, and one of them may be last question. So my question is, what is the length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and the base of radius is 6 meter. Here is we have to radius for the conical tent. Here is a given that is radius of conical tent is 6 meter and height of the conical tent. Here is a tarpaulin, sorry, that's my mistake. The height is 8 meter. Okay. So what is the length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide be required? This is the dimension of the conical tent. Okay. Now dimension of the tarpaulin, that is given as a there is 3 meter wide, that is 3 meter wide, breadth is 3 meter, that is given. Okay, this is a tarpaulin, my tarpaulin. Okay, tarpaulin are in the shape of the rectangular, so there is a breadth is given for the tarpaulin, but there is no length are given. So they said that what is the length? We have to find the length of that tarpaulin. Okay, what is the length of the 3 meter wide tarpaulin required to make a conical tent to height 8 meter and radius is 6 meter? Assume that the extra length material will be required for stitching, margin and wastaging in cutting approximately 20 centimeter. Here they said that whenever in this answer we have to take 20 centimeter extra. We have to take 20 centimeter extra in final answer. Okay, we have to take 20 centimeter extra in final answer, but it also said that use pi 3.14 and that also said that use value of pi as a 3.14. Okay, so now first of all there is a conical tent also. So for that we must to know that the whenever there is a tent for the conical tent, we must to find the value of the curved surface area of tent. Okay, not a total surface area. So for that curved surface area of tent, there is pi RL. What is my value of pi? That is 3.14. So therefore 314 upon 100 into radius is given as 6. Now my slant height is not given. Here is the height of the tent is given 8 meter. Okay, here is my height of the tent is given as 8 meter. So first of all we have to require slant height for the tent. So for that we have to take h square plus r square equal to l square. So I'll write it here. Okay, clear? So h square plus r square equal to l square. So for that h is 8 square plus r is 6 square is equal to l square. Therefore 64 plus 36 equal to l square. For that is my 100 equal to l square. Therefore my length, slant height of the cone is 10 meter. Whenever we have to put square to the second side, so it forms square root. Therefore square root of 100, that is 10. Okay, clear? So we have to take slant height of the cone as a 10 meter. So now I'll write it here 10 meter. So 10 is 100. So 314 into 6, that is my answer is 6 4s are 24, 2 6 plus 2 8, 3 4 6 3 is 18, 1884. My answer is 1884 by 10. So my required answer is 188.4 meters square are required to make a tent. Okay, 188.4 meters square are required for the tent. Now we must to say that the how many or what is the length of the tarpaulin are required. So for this area we must to know that whenever we have to make a tent, so area of the tent is must be equal to the area of the tarpaulin, because from the tarpaulin there is a tent are make it. Okay, so for that we have to take both of them area as equal. For that we have to take area of the tent is equal to the area of tarpaulin. Okay, so area of tent is 188.4 is equal to area of tarpaulin, that is length into breadth. So 188.4 equal to length we have to find, breadth is given as a 3 meter. So 188.4 divided by 3, that is my length. So 3 6 are 18, 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 2 24, 3 8 are 24, that is 62.8. My length is 62.8 meter are required. Which length of the tarpaulin are required? That is 62.8 meter of length of tarpaulin are required to make a tent. But now there is some question that is given, that is extra 20 centimeter we have to take. Okay, so now as per that this is in the meter and this is in the centimeter. So we have to take this as a meter. So as per the 20 centimeter, what is my answer in meter? My answer in meter, that is 0.02. Okay, 0.2 meter. We have to convert 20 centimeter into the meter. So my answer is 0.2 meter. So I'll add them with the length. So my length is 62.8 meter plus 0.2 meter are extra have to require. That also tell in the question that we have to add them, because that's extra 0.2 meter are required for the stitching or any margin. Okay, so 10 and my answer is 63 meter, 63.0, that is 63 meter of the length we have to require. Okay, we have to require 63 meter of length of tarpaulin required to make a conical tent. Okay, clear students? Please note down this question as fast. Students, I hope you have to understand all this question. Okay, all these questions are given also in the textbook, so please see the textbooks, and if any doubt you have to require, if any doubt you have to require, so notify me. And so students, I hope you have to understand all these things. in the today's session. So students, till then, goodbye and stay blessed.